Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. Today we are discussing about the MediaPipe Face Mesh. First of all, we can see the main link, Google link of the overview. Mesh link, Face Mesh is the solution of the estimation 3D. You can see the result of the 3D and his accuracy and speed. So it is detect the only one phase, not the multiple phase. So it is the real time 2D and 3D work usage. So let's see. uh, I will create one simple report. You can see the one snapshot and his algorithm. So first of all, you git download your git command, go to the directory, upgrade your pip. Requirements is not meant the requirements OpenCV and MediaPipe. Just run the python mesh.py and you get the result. So let's see how to work. We are already in window any desk window machine. Go to the window machine. After window machine you can see the ideally and the running command. You can run your as you'll use cmd just like ideally and python simple ide and you get the result. You see first result and I hope you like it. It is very simple and short video for mesh face mesh MediaPipe Google platform, Google developing platform. So I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more getting information updates.